two mechanical cats.
All right. Yeah, we could fight them kind of over here.
I like where you fought them. We used that tree.
Okay, I'll try to lead them over there.
Yeah, using this tree to block is good.
Yeah. Yeah, he keeps doing that.
Oh,
Should have cleared this place.
oh,
Hold on. Kind of busy with some ads over here.
okay. Oh, he might knock me off of this thing.
Woo. He's
Gotta heal. Healing.
I stay alive.
Yep. Man, he keeps shooting them at you. Yeah. Scarlet Rot's nasty.
Yeah. I think you can see that I'm using a ranged weapon. That's why he's going after me with those. Oh, get him. Got him? Nice.
Oh, that's it.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, good
Nice.
finish.
Hold on a second. Okay.
For burst and miss. Yeah, there's two of them. Yep, still one. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, they hit hard.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I gotta heal.
About to die. Ah, I do it.
Yeah.
Try to get the other guy.
Wow, you did a lot of damage to that one.
Yeah. Try to kill that guy if you can first.
Alright, I got one down. Oh.
You doing alright?
So far. don't think that did anything.
If you die, just resurrect at the stake.
Good. Oh, he's fast with that strike. Almost.
You lost?
No, almost.
Almost. Okay.
Got him.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay.
Yeah, taking down the one was definitely beneficial.
I'll pull this last guy. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Gonna be doing that, I think. Yep. Watch the bow guy over there. Oh, there's a guy there. Watch yourself.
ooh! Don't die. Oh, I died.
Oh, okay. Damn it. Yeah. I should have warned you about that. Oh man, I died too. Jesus.
I guess.
Yeah, that's
nasty.
that clean rod guy. Yeah, he's the clean rod guy. He doesn't know who to attack.
Yeah. Oh no!
Wow.
Hold on, I gotta heal. Get aggro if you can.
He got mad.
Okay, healing. Wow, that thrust move.
Nice.
Good.
Okay. Oops. I'm gonna try to only pull that one guy later. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's easy. Those guys are easy to stagger. Here, watch yourself in that corner there, in that little alcove. Ah, shit. Hold on. Let me see if I can pull this guy.
Yeah, if we can bring him down here, that'd be good.
Ah, crap, that hurt. Yeah, he's gonna be throwing stuff. Yeah, he's coming. Oh!
Turn around.
Oh, what? God.
Turned around. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he keeps
Yeah, he's
turning
coming.
around.
He's coming.
Okay.
Just let him come down. I don't think that guy's gonna follow.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Did you?
Double
I wonder if
step.
we both did. Nice.
Did we get a double stab on that?
All right,
Looked
let's
like
get
it.
this little fucker right here. Damn, I don't have any focus magic or focus points. That's all right.
All right, here we go. First try. First try. Ooh, I like this zone. What the heck? Oh, I ran away.
Watch yourself.
Oh my gosh! It almost took off everything. Okay.
This guy's beefy.
Are you going in the ground? Oh. What's wrong with this thing? It's like Tourette'sy.
He doesn't know who to go after, I think. That's why.
Jeez, one hit. Ah!
Oh, he's gonna explode. Oh, nice. Get it.
It's gonna what?
Ah! He is gonna explode. You got him though.
Oh.
We're good. We're good.
You can't summon your little army if you're co-op.
Nah.
Man, this movement is weird. I can't tell when to attack. Oy.
Yeah. What's this guy doing?
What the heck is he doing?
Ah, shoot. I'm running out of lives. My last one. Oh, did you get him? Oh, no. Oh, watch. Exploding. Oh, nice. See, good job. You got him?
Get him.
I got him.
Nice.
Oh, shoot. Might be it for me. Oh, no. Oh, I can get there. I can get it.
I got him.
Oh, okay. Just got him. Nice. Beautiful.
Rodan Knight Ogre. Yeah, it would be cool if we had a horse. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's cool, guys. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh,
Nice.
shoot. Oh, yeah, that's right. We have to run. We have to run.
Where?
Run kind of to the left.
Oh. Oh man, there's two of them Colossus archers.
Yeah, don't worry about these guys for now. We're gonna try to get a stake of Marika because we're about to go to another boss fight.
Man, I beat one of them already, dude. I'm good. Let's do this.
Yeah, I saw that video. But you should have a stake of Marika right here. Oh wait, is this the?
No idea where you're at, bro. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, this is the stake. This one.
Why? What does that do?
All right. No, that's just like when if we die.
Oh.
That's where you'll go. That's
Oh,
where you're.
okay.
So yeah, we have a boss here. So
That guy?
hey, here we go. Yep.
Draconic Tree Sentinel? Oh, you're dead. Hey, cool shield, bro. Oh.
I'll let you aggro. Get the arrows in. Ah! Oh crap! God, help me! Oh no!
I missed.
Oh, they're getting poison, poison, poison. Nice. You can't do finishers on this guy. I don't know.
That axe thing is pretty cool.
Yeah. I think you get that. I think you get that after we win this.
Oh shoot. Okay. Healing again.
Ah! Man, it is kind of hard to get. Oh,
Wow.
second phase.
What the heck is this guy doing?
Ah!
Oh, I died! Wow.
Yeah, second phase, man.
What was that?
Yeah, take the stake, America.
Yeah,
I'll meet you over there.
You ready?
There we go.
Okay. Oh shoot.
Jesus.
Oh, that hit him.
Oh, man. Nice. Oh, that's safe.
Oh wow. Whoa, 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 I got healed.
Nice.
Ah!
Oh, watch yourself. Back, back, back. You can. Oh, crap. I'll try to get him. Oh, yeah.
Oh my. Heal!
Oh! Wow! I think I'm dead. Yep. He got me. Did you get him? Ah! You one more, a little bit.
Got him.
Nice, I saw it too. I got stuck on the rock. Nice. Oh, I still got
Root.
the roots for it. Yeah.
Dragon Great Claw. Sweet. Oh, and the shield. Whoa.
Nice. Nice we got.
Alright. I'm here. Should we make it daytime?
It's up to you. There's no night things.
I'm gonna make it daytime. Hey, dude, Landman's really good. I like Landman.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I haven't watched it yet. Did you watch all of it?
Almost.
Okay.
Dude,
Yeah.
I've been watching that crap on the train, dude, since I got no more telework. I've been watching it on the train.
Oh, nice, nice. How's that? How's things at your work?
Thanks, Elon. Thank you.
Yeah, he screwed up, man.
I'm gonna email you my balls.
Well, I think because you could like write anything, right? Like you
Yeah,
could
I
write
heard.
anything on
I
this.
saw. I'm gonna
Yeah.
write. It's classified 5 freaking times, bro.
Yeah, yeah. I think it'll be
It's-
funny though if you say like "F you,
Yeah,
Elon"
no.
or something.
Hey, Elon, it's classified. Now go back to South Africa. Now click your heels 3 times and go back to South Africa.
Yeah, did I give you that? I think I have to get that.
Yeah, sure, dude. I'll take it. Chappelle Show's classic, dude.
Yeah, I think I don't know if I have it. I think I was trying to find it, but I couldn't find it. Yeah, I'll get. I want to watch that again.
Yeah, a lot of comic comedians hail that as like one of the greatest of all time shows.
Oh yeah, it's just the best. Definitely the best. I mean, even today, even with the woke stuff going on, like they still love that show.
Yeah. I don't mind what. I think Elon needs to do this a little bit more systematically. Like,
Right, right.
if you're going to
Yeah,
do this, please respect the fact that there is a chain of command. Like, really, there truly is. We
right.
don't report directly
He,
to you. So, yeah, there's a
right.
chain. So,
He, he's starting to do it now because I believe they said like he's putting people at each agency, right? Like
yeah,
Doge.
that's how you're supposed to do it.
That's how you're supposed to do it. Yeah.
Because seriously, I mean, we hear things of who you are, but it's like, well, like, you're not, to, lack of a better word, dad. You're not our dad.
Right.
We
Right.
don't report to you. So, what the hell hit me?
Yeah. Yeah. Just keep following me. Oh wait.
What's this floaty shit around here? What the hell is hitting me?
I think it's arrows. I think there's arrows over there.
Whoa, these guys are coming back. Dude, if we get jumped here,
Oh,
this would suck.
yeah, I know. We are getting to more of the higher levels, so maybe we might see more of them. The capital is going to be insane, though, man. I don't know. That's going to be kind of worrisome. That's why I always thought that, the bad guys should be able to hit them too,
Yeah, I don't think
That'll
that
make it more
there's
fair.
an alignment. I think you should have the risk too.
Right, exactly. They should do that in the next game.
Yeah,
Because
patch
that's
that.
the problem. That's the main problem is they lead you away to a group of guys, and it's just a waste of time.
Yeah, it would be cool if we had a horse. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's cool, guys. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Oh,
Ah!
oh,
Nice.
shoot. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah, that's right. We have to run. We have to run.
Where?
Run kind of to the left.
Oh. Oh man, there's two of them Colossus
Yeah,
archers.
yeah. Don't worry about these guys for now. We're gonna try to get a stake of Marika because we're about to go to another boss fight.
Man, I beat one of them already, dude. I'm good. Let's do this.
Yeah, I saw that video.
Yeah,
There's a lot of those guys.
dude. I got a lot of material, man. Like, yeah, just recording. Actually, Fallout 4 is the one that I have to actually make material for. But
Yeah.
just playing like this,
This is a good co-op game just to next to Fallout 4. Just play this co-op.
yeah,
I think. And,
yeah, it's a good change of
Okay.
pace.
but you should have a stake America right here. Oh wait, is this the?
No idea where you're at, bro. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, this is the stake. That's right.
Why? What does that do?
All right. No, that's just like when if we die,
Oh,
that's where you'll go. That's
Oh,
where you're.
okay.
So yeah, we have a boss here. So
that guy?
hey, here we go. Yep.
Draconic Tree Sentinel? Oh, you're dead. Hey, cool shield, bro. Oh.
I'll let you aggro him. Get the arrows in. Ah! Oh crap! God, help me! Oh no!
I missed.
Ah. Oh, they're getting poison! Nice. You can do finishers on this guy. I don't know.
That axe thing is pretty cool.
Yeah. I think you can get that. I think you get that after we win this.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Healing again.
Ah! Man, it is kind of hard to get. Oh, second
Wow.
phase.
What the heck is this guy doing? Oh, I
Ah!
died! Wow.
Yeah, second phase, man.
What was that?
Yeah, take the stake, America.
Yep, got
I'll
it.
meet you over there. Yeah. Good fight. That's actually. I think we might be at a good level for this one.
Oof. Oh,
Oops.
those those monsters over there, they got their back to me. I'm gonna stealth kill them.
What, the big guys?
The Colossus.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's just second phase that's really rough on that Sentinel. We got it.
You think, do your thing?
Yeah, no, I'm heading over there. I have to come from the Grace. There's no Static Grace nearby, and that's why.
Alright, I'm gonna switch my helmet. Maybe that'll help. I'm still medium load. Yeah, it's a better helmet. Alright, let's do this.
Okay. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna put my sign. Hold on. What the? Okay, okay. I'm gonna put my sign like you see what the where the rocks are on the right side.
Yep.
I'm gonna put it to the left of that.
Okay.
I'm getting those guys are firing at me.
Alright. Oh, looks like someone's trying to fight him too.
Yeah. It's to the left of the big rock pile.
Um,
See it?
are you still on
So
the
if you're
path?
so if you're like no, if you're like facing the Sentinel guy,
Yeah.
uh, look to your right. There should be like a rock area.
Is it on the cliff or on the
No,
floor?
no, it's right next to it. It's on the floor. There's some
Oh,
like
okay.
yellow flowers. Yeah.
Okay, hang on a sec. No, that's not you.
You see it? I can put it someplace different area, different if you need to.
Yeah, probably. I'm not finding
Okay,
it.
okay. Yeah, hold on a second. I'm gonna put it on the road, like the kind
Yeah.
of the road area where you should be able to see it better. So it's like right on a road, kind of, and you're
Oh, I
looking
see it.
at
I see it. I see it.
the system. There you go. Okay. All right, round two. I was using my arrows. I don't think I'm gonna use my arrows on this one. Get in the mix.
Are you using the same hooded helmet as I am?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just using a hood.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, I think mine's a what's it called? The thief hood or something.
Oh, You ready?
There we go.
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Jesus.
Oh, that hit him.
Oh, man. Nice. Oh, that's safe.
Oh, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got healed.
Nice.
Ah!
Oh, watch yourself. Back, back, back. You can. Oh, crap. I'll try to get him. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my. Heal!
Oh! Wow! I think I'm dead. Yep. He got me. Did you get him? Ah! You one more, a little bit.
Got him.
Nice. I saw it too. I got stuck on the rock. Nice. Oh, I still got
Rune?
the roots for it. Yeah.
Dragon Great Claw. Sweet. Oh, and the shield. Whoa.
Nice.
See what that looks like. Probably heavy. Oh, oh yeah, it is heavy. They just put me over in heavy.
Yeah, that's a heavy weapon or heavy shield. So if you go further, there should be a site of grace down that path.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set my thing down. Oh, I can't set. Oh, I can't set it down here. You're gonna have to go forward a little bit after that grace. There should be another one.
All right.
So just go down the hall. There should be an elevator.
I better rest.
Let me know when you're at the elevator. Ooh! Let me show you some. Oh, me too.
Hey, that's not bad, bro. That's not bad. This is what I got. Oh, man.
I think you have to go in first.
The heck are we fighting? Godfrey, first Elden Lord. Whoa! No, slow down, bro.
Woo-hoo. Is that for me?
Oh! No!
Oh, crap. Yeah,
Healing, healing.
okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to heal. Woo-hoo. I might be dead. Oh! Oh, get him if you can. Nice.
Gotta heal.
Oh.
Oh man, dang it.
Alright. Almost had him.
I don't like how he's like phased or something.
Why you be like haloed?
Like he's a specter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Man.
Oh. Oh, they're gonna crap. There's only 498 runes.
Okay, yep. Ooh. Try to heal up if you can.
Yep.
Woo. Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Got it. Get him.
Good deal.
Ah. Stamina. Heal up.
Healing.
Yep.
Healing again.
Nice. Finish him.
Man, I was too busy. I tried to. Oh man. Callus and Josh. I was like R1. R1?
I was like,
R1.
I was like,
I might as well keep going R1.
I was like, finish him, finish him. Pop, 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 pop.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Nice. All right.